In my last video, I tried to record using my phone, but it went well. So, because of that, I thought to buy a GoPro. But then, I looked at the price. Well then, maybe I bought the action camera. But they didn't have the lens that was perfect to shoot a PC building videos. So, I guess the only option left is to buy a used camera and upgrade it. So here's the plan. First, get the action camera. Second, buy another camera lens. Third, buy some 3.5mm jack wires to replace the old trash microphone. Fourth, buy a microphone that's better than the internal one and that fits inside a 3.5mm jack. And lastly, get a headband for the action camera. Well, I guess we got everything. Now to the second part, building the thing. Let's see first if this lens will actually even work with the camera. So in order to do that, we first need to disassemble the camera. Let's maybe take the battery out first, because, well, I don't want to get electrocuted. Alright. Also, I got a screwdriver set. And if you're wondering where I got it from, it's from the best website, Temu, or more like super cheap But anyways, let's just disassemble the front now. So there are no screws right here, so I'll have to use over metal. Okay, looks like there are some screws here, so let's use the good old screwdriver to get them out. Oh, how did I miss one screw under the warranty sticker? Oh, so sad, I'm not going to have warranty from 2017. Alright, so this is the lens, if you don't know. I need to screw it off, I guess. I sure need to screw it off, but they added some glue here, so I guess I'll have to remove that. I mean, I have a blade from the great Temu screwdriver set. Okay, I'll be back when I have removed this glue, because it ain't that easy. Alright, I finally was able to scrape off the glue. Yes, so we need to mark the lens to know where to place the new one. Alright, now I have marked it, so let's just take the old lens out. Alright, this is the new one. Alright. New lens fits pretty good. Alright, the new shiny camera lens is on. Let's just give it a wipe and let's see if the camera still works. Let's power it on. Alright, power is on. Okay, it's actually completely blurry as you can see. I think I need to adjust the lens. Okay, let's just quickly hold the lens with tape so the battery doesn't fall out, because that's not too good.
10 hours later.
Alright, I have tried everything to make this camera focused, but I just can't do it. I have tried it for 3 hours now. I have no idea how to focus it. So I have another idea. This is an old GoPro Hero 1, right? And do you see this? Yes, that's a lens. So it should be a lot better than the old lens from this action camera. So let's replace them. So let's take the old lens out. Okay, again, let's take out the battery. I don't want to get electrocuted. Okay, I'll be back when I have removed the lens. Finally, I was able to get the GoPro sensor off. Let's see if it fits. It's more important that it focuses. Alright, it fits. Let's be back if I can focus it. I finally did it. You see this lens right here? I'm gonna turn the camera on. Huh? Okay, and it turned off. It's focused. You can't see it that good on the camera. It works. So that's pretty darn good. Well, thank you for your service, good old GoPro. You did your job and even better, so thank you. I'll take the SD card out and see how the quality looks. Hello, test 1, 2, 3. This is a test with the new lens. And I mean, the microphone is probably pretty bad, but the quality of the video should speak for itself. And I guess that's how good the quality is. And the mic, well, it isn't great, and the quality is acceptable, I think, but let's move on to the next upgrade. This time, we're replacing the shitty internal microphone with some juicy 3.5mm jack. With it, I will be able to plug in any microphone. So, in order to do that, I need to solder. But first, we need to desolder the old mic. So, be back when I have disassembled this. Alright, I finally disassembled the action camera. So, if you're wondering, here's the actual mic. Yes, it's this thing right here. So I will need to first desolder it and then solder onto the new wires. I only have one problem, because when I will be assembling it, I'm not completely sure how I'm going to connect the screen to this, because it's kind of hard to do it, but I'll find a way. I'll try to record some footage of me soldering. Oh, and before I solder, we don't need the red and the white cable because those are left and right channels. So we only need the green, which is a microphone, you know, the like sound. The black is grounding, which like provides power, I guess. Alright, now I have soldered it. I kinda forgot to record while I was soldering it, but this is how it looks. So I removed the old microphone and soldered on new wires. So let's see if this will actually work. So here's the new mic. Alright. Why is my dog barking? So the screen right now isn't really connected, but it should still work. So let's see how good the new mic quality is.
Hello, hello. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3.
So to be able to make this a cable fit, so we need to probably like cut it somewhere like up here, I think. Yeah, this doesn't really fit in. So let's cut it. Alright, now I have actually made a hole in here and in here. So the cable goes through here, here, and it will also go in here. So let's assemble it. Okay, now I have fully assembled it. Inside is the action camera and here's the mic. You can like switch the mic if you want to and get another one. I will also have to like remove the camera from the casing to get the SD card out. It's kinda harder to like, take the camera out than it was before. So as I said, it's quite harder to take the camera out. Okay, I actually took it out, but it was actually kinda harder. I will also need to like probably like tape the microphone onto somewhere. Maybe because I don't want this mic to be just dingling around. So my idea was to just tape it on here and I'll do like a video test. Yeah. Okay, so I added on some tape and well, you know, as the saying goes, if it's stupid and it works, it's not stupid. So let's do a video test. Oh my goodness, do you see what I did? Please insert SD. So now I have to take it out and back in. Oh my. Okay, so when like removing the camera, the whole screen like fell apart. Alright, I fixed it. So let's see how the footage looks.
How's the mic quality? Well, I hope it's good. Yeah, see, now I can use both my hands and I no longer have to hold my phone.
So I guess the video quality is alright and the mic quality is also alright. I might want to upgrade the mic. That's how I upgraded the camera. And if you think if you should do this yourself, then yes, I would actually recommend it. And it wasn't even that hard, to be honest. Like, you need to do some soldering and slap on new lens, but don't buy that one I bought that didn't work. Maybe if you had like an old GoPro laying around, can take its lens, or just use like the original lens that came with your action camera. So yeah, that's it. And if you want to see me slapping in 2 power supplies inside of a PC, and that was actually kinda hard, then well, watch that video.